Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Quant. Right now, little sad face. We are trading at $173, 24-hour volume. We're up 0.96%, and market cap, we are down 5.95%. So let's take a look at our chart because we were doing so well for Quant, and we came up as high as the $228. So that was pretty exciting. Now, one of my concerns here, again, this is a daily chart, is retracement level closer to the 20 moving average. Now, we can see that ever since the breakout occurred and we broke through the 20 moving average, which again is a trend reversal here. So we can see back here on September 7th, continue to hold and use the 20 moving average as an area of support. We can see with this candlestick wick, really nice support right on the line here. And as shallow as this retracement level is, we can see this dip down here. This is going to be a test to see if we could be able to bounce back from the 20 moving average. And if we don't hold that support, then ultimately this uptrend has ended in a bigger picture on a daily time frame. So one of the things we are going to be looking closely here, and what I want you guys to look at closely, is making sure we can be able to hold that support of the 20 moving average. And if not, then we are going to be closer to $129 phase here, because a lot of people is built on the emotion, and we are going to take a look at the 4-hour time frame. But before that, we can see here the RSI is dropping. Of course, we knew it was going to drop because we were considered as overbought, and we reached that $228. And we can see the MACD indicator is showing lighter in the colors of the bars, but most importantly, the momentum may soon be over for this gorgeous green trend, or this bull rally that we've had multiple days. So one of the things we do need to make sure that we bounce off nicely from the 20 MA. Most importantly, continue this uptrend, because we've had a few scares in the last couple of days here of the MACD indicator crossing from the green to the red and crossing over, initially ending that bull rally, that bull momentum. So this is something that we want to make sure that the lines do go further apart, because then we know that the momentum is going to go stronger, and most importantly, closer to our 20 moving average. Now, heading over to our 4-hour chart, we knew that the shallowness of this downtrend was going to create a lot of pressure in the marketplace, but most importantly, the emotions, because emotions are going to play a huge factor in quant as well. So ever since that drop, we see these huge bars, these engulfing red candles here, formulating the emotion that's happening in quant right now. Because if we've achieved that really high, a lot of people either cashed out 25%, 50%, or those big risk takers 100% of those bags there that they had in quant. So as the price again crossed over the 20 moving average here, and I'm so sorry for being a broken record, but it does show us a huge change ever since that we crossed over October 22nd on a 4-hour time frame. The more times that the price continued to break through resistance lines, to break through all-time highs here, and as soon as we dropped and crossed over and closed below that 20 moving average, it's just been sell, sell, sell. And we have retested that area just a few hours ago and got rejected down. We see this doji candlestick here, this engulfing candlestick, and then huge selling pressure as the momentum of this bear market is growing stronger. If we take a look at our MACD indicator, we can see that the blue line, which is the MACD line itself, and the signal line is further growing apart. So this may not be the end of this bear run itself. So let's take a look at an area of hopefully again, an area of support. And don't really see it. We don't really see it. So again, we're going to do a new fib chart to kind of see if there is going to be an area of retracement, because we have been actually looking at areas of support, resistance levels, areas of support from pullbacks. But now we're actually taking a look at support. which I was actually hoping that would happen later on, but essentially we're looking at it now. So last video here, I was hoping again, we caught ourselves closer to the 188 price point, but momentum moved fairly strong here on our MACD line. We saw gradual, I don't know if that's a new word. We saw huge strengths of these bars getting bigger and essentially slicing right through that projected price for myself of 188. And again, coming back down even further, 182, an area of interest that we saw previously of this triangle on October 15th and continue to come down. So we're hoping 138% of our fib, most likely not going to happen. The RSI itself is continuing to come down, but most importantly, the momentum and the strength is coming back down. I'm hoping here, right here, we can see areas of support at the 165. We do see a few of our candlesticks here coming down in terms of the body, but we haven't really tested this as an area of support as the price came up because it just moved very, very, very fast. So be prepared for quant to move fairly quickly here. And we don't really have a whole lot of area of supply in our volume indicator or this volume profile because it moved so fast. If I extend this line here, we can maybe rely on these nodes here to generate an area of support. But other than that, mostly the price occurred or the price gained more attraction was in here after $158. But again, let's cross our fingers. It doesn't even retrace down to that level. So that is my video for quant. Pretty deflated right now. But I do feel like we are again in the rally, and hopefully we don't see in that daily chart us coming back down and breaking through the 20 MA there. So let me know what you guys think down below. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video if you thought it was insightful. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.